Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Pioneer 4201 installed on a Porsche Cayman S 2007. Pioneer 4201 is a DVD system, 7-inch, that also comes with the extra camera free from Pioneer. We have installed the camera in the back in here, and we've installed the system obviously in the dash, replacing the factory unit. So now we're going to get in and we'll show you how the system works. So we have installed the Pioneer system and with the proper trim, so it looks nice and clean like the factory. We put the vehicle in reverse. We have the picture showing immediately on the screen. We have ran the microphone all the way to the top to eliminate any road noise. That way, if this microphone is a bit far away from the windshield, so all the noise from driving is kind of get cancelled. This microphone won't hear it. It's cleaner and nice. We also ran WSB in here. So we have replaced the charger port that was here and put a WSB. That is allowing you to use the CarPlay and the Android Auto, or just put any USB you want. The vehicle is a Bose sound system, so we did change the factory amplifier and we put a new amp that runs the 3 subwoofers we have in this vehicle, one in the center here and 2 on each door. The amplifier is located where the factory one was, which is in the front trunk. With the system itself, the Pioneer 4201, it's a DVD Bluetooth 7-inch system. It has a CD on the back, so you can open here. And we get in the back here, we have the CD. We also have memory card slot. Close it back. We have obviously the AM, FM, regular channels, playing music from your phone, talking over the phone, the Bluetooth, and like we said, the CarPlay and the Android Auto. Pioneer GPS systems, radio, DVDs, and others can be installed on many different cars. Call us at Car System Installation, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.